Today I want to talk about meal prepping. Yes, honey, meal prepping. What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sabrina, and on my channel, I do content about travel, fashion, and lifestyle. So consider hitting the subscription button and the notification bell for when I upload videos, which is normally every Sunday. So guys, I want to make this quick video and share with you guys meal prepping. It's something that I've been doing, and I really think that more people should do meal prep. Prep your food for the week. Take 1 or possibly 2 days to cook some meal and plate them out, put them in your freezer, put them in your refrigerator. And let me tell you, when you get up every day and you go into work and you open your refrigerator and you reach for one of your prep meals, you're going to feel so smart. You're going to save so much money. It's so much healthier. And there's something about eating your own food. So a friend of mine introduced me to meal prepping. And honey, I haven't gone back since. I'm so glad. I don't know how comes I've never thought about prepping my meal for the week. It's such a smart thing to do. And a friend of mine was visiting me, and it was interesting how he was prepping his meal because he did everything in the microwave. And I remember saying to him, you should put this up on YouTube on sharing how you prepare all your meals in the microwave, even an egg. He showed me how he boiled an egg in the microwave. Unbelievable. But anywho, so I just want to come on here and share that with you guys and tell you how I meal prep. So I'm not big on being in the kitchen. I'm not big on cooking, even though I think I'm an okay cook. I think I'm okay cook because I've cooked meals for people before and they be like, oh, it tastes nice. I'm like, you know what? I'll be throwing it in the pot and hoping for the best. But anywho, even with my meal prep, I don't want to be in the kitchen all day just cooking forever. So most of my meals, they're very quick, they're very fast, they're healthy. And the benefit of it, it's my own food. I save money and it's healthier. I'm more creative with the meal because every week I'm always thinking, ooh, what should I prep for this week? Most of my meal that I prep, I normally prep like 3 different meals for the week. And I have to have lunch because when I go to work, so even if I don't get an opportunity to prep for dinner, my lunch is a must because that's when I'm out, I'm at work, and that's when you spend the most money and you tend to be a little bit more hungrier, especially for me. When I'm outside, I always feel like I need to eat a meal. When I'm at work and stuff, I snack more. You know, I guess it's in the reverse. I was having a conversation with a friend of mine and she was saying that she snacks more when she's in the house than when she's at work. It's the opposite for me. When I'm at work, I feel I want to snack all the time. I always have to be snacking on something, drinking something. So for me, bringing my meals to work, it's so much beneficial. It's so much healthier. Before, I love frozen meal. Trader Joe's have some of the best frozen meals out there. Honey, delicious. And it can be very, very pricey. I love Trader Joe's frozen section. However, I had to cut that out because I found that I was always very bloated. And I always have this puffy type look. And I was talking to my cousin one day and she shared with me, she said, maybe it's from all that frozen meal that you eat because she know my style. You know, I'll be popping stuff in the microwave and boom, boom, boom. It's a meal. And ramen noodle. I eat ramen noodle. I know. A grown woman. I'm eating ramen noodle. But I thought I was doing something great. I would eat ramen noodle, boil some egg, put it in there and stuff. I would be even put like a little dry seasoning in my ramen noodle, make it taste nice. And oh my goodness. The sodium that frozen food and dry processed food have should deter you from limiting the amount of frozen meals and dry processed food that you eat. And I think that's what was happening to me, and that's what was making me very puffy and bloated. And once I stopped eating it, I noticed that I wasn't as puffy and bloated like I was before. So I urge you guys, if you're not already food prepping, I think you should give it a try. I think it's very addicting and it's so weird. I kind of enjoy going in the kitchen and prepping my meal for the week. So I urge you guys, if you're not already food prepping, that you should give it a try. It's so smart. It's a very smart thing to do. You eat much healthier and you save a ton of money. Write in the comment section and let me know if you're already food prepping and what your thoughts are on meal prepping. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Peace out.